So here we have the Wand Company Sonic, the Celestial Toy Store UE, and the Celestial Toy Store Aztec. I'll be doing a comprehensive review, including the Celestial Toy Store's 11th Doctor prototype. But first I just wanted to do a little sound test. So here we have the Wand Company. Now one thing that I kind of want to show is the difference in brightness. So let's see if I can do this. I think this is probably the thing that I dislike the most about the Wand Company. First of all, the delay. Push, sound. For the CT, pretty much right away. And it's pretty obvious to notice the brightness difference. The UE. And the Wand Company. So that's just a brief snapshot of what I'll be doing as soon as I get the 11th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. Until then, happy trails.